Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Chromebook supports virtualization and you have the right accounts. Open Chrome settings, check OS version, and enable Linux if a cloud client needs it. Once done, sign into your Microsoft 365 or chosen cloud PC provider and install their web or lightweight client app. You do this to run Windows remotely, not to install it locally, so make sure networking is stable and that you understand client permissions before moving to the connection steps. You now open the remote desktop or cloud client and choose the Windows image you need. Pick a performance tier that fits your work. Once connected, configure display scaling, audio routing, and enable clipboard sharing and USB or printer pass-through if required. Make sure your resolution matches your Chromebook display to avoid scaling issues. Save the connection profile for quick access later, and run a quick latency test to confirm responsiveness. Lower ping makes interactive apps feel native. You finish by installing your Windows apps inside the remote session and mapping a cloud drive or local folder for file exchange. Once done, lock down settings. Enable two-factor auth on accounts and set an automatic disconnect timeout if needed. If performance degrades, make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi or Ethernet, reduce display quality, or change the region of the cloud host. A key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity drops, restart the client and verify Chromebook network settings before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.